Hi, welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn any video or audio to social media content automatically with Flowjin and publish and schedule it right away. The first step is to go to flowjin.com and sign up. When you sign up, you will get to this dashboard. The first step is to import or upload your content. I have put sources that we support for importing the content. Please check out the description. So for the matter of this video, I'm going to use one of the videos that I recorded for a customer call and upload it to Flowjin. My content is now uploaded. The next step is to ask Flowjin's AI to create me clips. So I click on the project, I will be directed to this menu. I will click on AI clipping and set the language as English. I can also play around with the clip length here. It dictates the length of the clip to the AI, but I'm gonna leave it to auto. But if you are willing to get longer clips, feel free to choose the option that is up to 3 minutes of the clip. The other options that you can also use is the time frame to process. So if your video has an intro or any parts that you know are not clip worthy, it can be the intro and outro of the content, or it can be any other things. You can also use this option to save credits. So for example, like for this call, I know that the beginning and the end are the greetings and the content that I don't want the AI to go through and clip me. I'm going to remove those parts. So I'm just going to trim the first 2 minutes and the last 2 minutes, and that will save me around 4 minutes of credits to use. And then I'm going to choose start clipping. After a few minutes, I see that Flowjin has processed my file and it has come up with 6 clips, 10 codes, and 10 text assets that I can use on my socials. The first step is to look at the clips, preview them. If they are a good fit, I can export them right away and publish or schedule them on my social accounts, which I will get into later. Or I can also edit them further to make them more engaging, add more layers like shapes, B-rolls, videos, titles, lower thirds, which I get into later. Or I can just edit a few stuff, take out some parts that I don't want, or add more segments to my clip, or change the styles and designs. So there are a few things that you can do.